We're making the Polynesian Spell. You probably can't see it anymore.
It's horrible.
It was really bad. It was really good.
It's purple though.
Makes a purple color. And would you ever think about putting that in a drink?
Nothing here is standard.
Well, you should watch and find out.
Yes. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make some stuff up for you. I didn't say the swear word.
It's going to be awesome.
I'm not sure exactly.
She told me there was some grape juice going on before I picked out a white shirt.
Just don't.
You're okay, Ian.
Just
You
don't
got
pour it
this.
on
You're
yourself.
professional.
You've got Tiki shirt, Tiki drinks.
Yeah, Tiki, isn't it?
So yeah, you knew.
Oh, I should have worn it.
I did.
Damn it.
Tiki shirt.
This happened by accident.
Oh, you have one with little
Flamingos.
Yeah, you
I could have been more Tiki.
Oh, it's not Tiki. Here it is. Now you have a Tiki shirt.
I got one of those
You gotta
too.
put a shirt over a shirt. That's gonna
No,
be
don't do that. That would be really free and hot.
Yeah.
Is it even your size?
You're just
Is
gonna
it?
have to go off camera and change.
It's a.
Or please
Large.
everybody and do it on camera.
There you go.
Would everyone like to see my titties?
Nipples. Oh, you guys want to know what we're making? It's 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. No, that's I
No,
keep saying that. It's 1 ounce of grape juice, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Lemon? Okay. A 1/4 ounce of triple sec, a 1/4 ounce of peach brandy. We're using peach schnapps because peach brandy is nearly impossible to get. Sugar syrup is about a 1/2 ounce, and then 1.5 ounces of gin. So it's a gin-based drink with grape juice, peaches, and fucking triple sec. I don't even know what's going on.
It's
I
going to
saw
put
it.
you under some kind of fucking spell. We
It's
just
gonna be
haven't figured
good.
it out yet.
I'm gonna predict that this is good.
Okay,
You should
so
just use apricot brandy.
no, because it's not peach.
Apricot and peach is close.
I don't know if that's true.
I don't know if that's true.
So
If you drink enough, it's true.
Time for blind taste
It
test.
could be. It could be.
See?
Jen is wishing it true.
Yeah, that's right.
Jen's like, well, Jalitha drank the last apricot one, so I want one now.
It was good.
I don't know. I think this is from the Kontiki, or Sandro Conti.
Tiki.
Uh,
How come I never got one of these like
No,
t-shirts?
it's the Kahiki, Columbus, Ohio, circa 1961. It's in the book. If you check out Beach Bum Berry's remix, you can go to Amazon.com, check it out, or you can click on the affiliate link right below. Get yourself that. I don't know how it's gonna taste. Hey, it's a nice shirt,
I like it.
and it doesn't have any typos in it.
Yeah.
Well, see how like mine has. See how they filled in the A's wrong?
Oh, yeah.
So I was like, you guys didn't do the back of the shirt right, so they just reprinted them all. So I had like a bunch of extra misprints, but that's an actual regular one.
Oh.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Expecting
Whoa.
that. Now I
Look
see.
at that.
Polynesian Spell makes sense now.
I feel like I'm under a spell.
It's blowing my mind. Now I wonder if they use grapefruit juice or grape juice just to get the color.
They might. Well, no, it's an ounce of grapefruit. It's an ounce of grape
No,
juice.
yeah, they like grape juice.
Yeah.
That's an ounce.
You know what though? I like grape juice.
I love grape juice.
Put it in your face then.
It's just interesting.
You got a
Yeah.
mouthful,
Yeah.
use it.
You want me to put it in my face?
Do it.
You want me to put it in your face?
Not right now, but I'm drinking.
The night is young.
When the camera's not rolling.
Does it taste like purple?
It's good.
It is good.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's really good.
Ian's on a water only diet.
I know.
Does it taste a little bit like purple?
It tastes like
It tastes like a grape daiquiri.
It tastes like
It tastes like a Freezy Pop, but not like.
I eat a lot of Freezy Pops, and that does not taste like a Freezy Pop. You know why?
It sounds like a not a Freezy Pop, just like a regular popsicle.
Maybe.
Push pop or
Maybe.
This tastes like a popsicle,
The
but
problem
not.
is it has too much sour for Freezy Pop.
Well, it's not like sweet,
Yeah.
like a
Freezy Pop's one dimensional.
Yeah, no.
Freezy Pop is only.
But the grape flavor,
Yeah,
it's like, but you get like the sour, and it's not as
Yeah.
sweet. Yeah,
Yeah, it's like a
popsicle.
it's like a popsicle cocktail.
Yes.
But when you think popsicle cocktail, you think one dimensional sweetness. But it's not.
It's not.
It tastes like purple and sour.
Mm.
And I think that he was
It's like it hits you with the sweet, and then like the sour on the back of your tongue.
yeah.
It's actually pretty good.
And it's got lemon in it, and you're not like
Well, it's not that. Like,
There's been no recoil.
yeah.
I don't.
I was telling somebody about that today. Maybe after the hike, I'm like, just wait till Dan drinks lemon. Because I think he made a sour face at something.
Oh, No, we drank that beer because it was so like bitter.
Yeah,
I was like,
Oh, like an IPA?
Those are
yeah, and then I
halfway-
made him drink it. I was like,
Deep dark
Those are halfway
IPA.
to lemon face.
yeah, it was.
Halfway to lemon.
He saw that face and he gave me the other drink. He gave me the stout.
What's going on in this video? Team play.
Yeah, I was like, and he's like, you sure? And I'm like, yeah, no.
It's not bad.
I like to zoom in on
It's
Dan's
good.
face when he does that
It's kind of
because like it just
kind of subtle.
focuses
Oh,
right in.
it tastes like a sweet tart.
Okay, I can
There
see
you
that.
go.
It does.
I say popsicle.
Our executive
You know,
producer is
it's
Chuck
like-
Parker.
Like a purple like market
Does
basket
it taste great or is it
popsicle.
less
You
filling?
know what I mean? Where it's not like
No,
real,
it's a sweet tart.
real grape flavor.
Let's go more with sweet tart.
The thing
No.
is, it's got the sweet.
Then you have the lemon.
It's got the taste of sweet without the sweetness,
It's a sweet
and then the
tart.
tart.
Yeah. Like, that's true. Okay, you got me there.
Yeah, it does.
Taste it
Or
again. Now taste it again.
Maybe because I'm under your spell.
Right. You can't,
Polynesian.
you can't say he doesn't compromise.
Yeah. Maybe because I'm under your
Yeah,
spell.
she's his wife.
Wait a minute. What about those
It's
like
not.
Laffy Taffies? That's kind of good.
No, it tastes like a sweet tart.
Oh
Sweet
god,
tart.
I can't come up with anything better.
It's a sweet tart.
What about
It's good.
those stringy candies that like you pull?
That's taffy.
You know the like hearts.
What about the now and
You're
later?
right.
Yeah.
The purple now and later.
No, you're right.
All right.
But it's not, I mean, I think the good thing is, right, it's not sweet.
No,
it's not
actually-
like,
it's
No.
really
No,
good.
it's not sweet.
It's
Not like
too
candy sweet,
It's
yeah.
not like sickening sweet.
Which
No.
I'm really
No.
surprised by.
Especially when you get purple in a drink,
Yeah.
it's kind of like the peach drinks.
No, it's actually
Yeah.
good.
They just inherently should taste.
I don't know if you
sweet.
can drink more than one,
Yeah, I
but
was gonna say it's a
Yeah.
one time. It's a one
Yeah.
order drink.
Yeah, it's like
It's
one
like,
of those.
oh wow, this is good.
That if you
Okay,
work at a
that's
bar,
nice.
this would be a good cocktail to have on your specialty menu for like the July August time frame.
Yeah.
Because then people could try one.
oh, some people would drink more than one because,
Yeah.
You
And
think?
those might be the
It's a
people you
good
got to carry
one.
out.
well, I think the sour in the back end actually wants, like, you keep drinking
Yeah,
it.
you keep
Yeah.
drinking.
I could drink more than one, but I feel like I don't want to. Like it's a little bit too sour for like sucking them down. But I
I don't know if it's too sour.
challenge accepted. I could drink them all.
Yeah,
Tasty.
sweet
Yeah,
tarts.
it's tasty.
Yeah, it's
good, but
tasty.
It's just like one of those things you're just, oh yeah, this was good.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. It's just not traditional, and like you kind of want to like head towards the traditional at some point, and so like it's a cool experience, but you're like just not used to grape.
Might be a bar menu thing just to have it on the bar menu.
It's good.
Right, to have some
I would put this on.
differentiation.
Yeah.
It's
menu.
pretty.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's cool.
it's really
Yeah.
cool looking. It's not
Like, people would see it and would want to try it.
yeah.
Right.
The
Yeah.
the only and maybe
Stands
that's
out.
why
Pretty
Yeah.
garnish on
See,
it.
like, what he put in- 'cause
Flour or
Yeah.
something.
he put
Yep.
1 ounce of grape juice parentheses the purple stuff. Like so he's
Yeah.
going for the color
Right.
Yeah.
and because there
When
is
is grape juice? Oh, you
there's
can have
white,
white grape
yeah, there's
juice.
white
Yeah.
grapefruit. And which is weird because if you squeeze grapes, they don't come out purple.
No.
How's that work?
It's a Concord grapes. Yeah, it's a Concord grape.
So Concord grapes squeeze purple?
Yeah.
I'll buy that. Yeah, I'll trust you, Dan. 'Cause
I know someone that works there.
at
Oh, yeah.
Concord Grape?
No, Welch's.
Is it in Concord?
Great.
At Welch's.
At Welch's?
Yeah.
You never had a Concord grape?
No, they're like big and
Yeah,
big ones.
they're
I've
big.
had them, but like I've never squeezed one to see like, if they come
So
out
what
white.
color grape do you like best?
This summer experience.
Question of the day: what's your favorite colored grape?
I like purple.
Purple, really dark purple. I like.
Well, you love, like,
Yeah.
Tom Cords or Concord
Concords are
grapes.
so
I just like the
good.
green ones.
Do you like the kids
literally
like the
taste
green
The seedless
ones?
greens, I can eat them all day.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't.
If-
The red
Concords
ones.
and really ripe Concord.
Because they have that, like, if they're, like, snappy,
Yeah.
like, they gotta be, like, a little bit.
Yeah.
Mm.
I like the ones
Yes.
I have.
Concords are so.
What do we-
But I don't
grow.
know, like, the red grapes are good, too. Like, if
I don't know
they're...
if we grow really sweet ones.
I think
if
ours
there's
are
right
Concord
sweetness.
The
grapes,
tartness
but
of the skin kind of puts me off.
Are they Concord?
they're really
Sometimes
small.
you, like, get them where they're, like,
Yeah,
sweet,
that's
and you don't get that, and they're so good.
Tiny, they're like a cross.
But I do like
Yeah.
the green ones.
Super sweet.
Uh,
They're just like
Yes, ours are like
Ours are super
you
sweet.
pick them off the vine and you put them down, and your
They're
hands
good,
are
though.
Oh,
sticky.
they're so good.
Right.
Like
Well,
my whole
you've seen
porch is
people
full.
making wine. I mean, they can step on grapes and it's red,
Yeah.
purple. So yeah.
Well, it's the skin. It's the skin that creates the... Yeah.
So, but whatever, it's purple.
That's a Concord.
However it
Concord
happens, it's
grapes.
purple.
There is magic there, but
Yeah.
like I
Concord grapes have a thicker skin.
I was just questioning because I didn't think it was fake because
Maybe
that
if you
would be
skinned a grape and then squished it, it would never be.
yeah. Like I know like purple push ice whatever you call them, freezy pops.
Use your
Purple
words.
freezy pops.
Purple pop.
With the jello
pops.
pudding.
Purple poppin' eaters.
Kristen's with you, Ian. She likes green.
All right, thank you.
Purple freezy pops are not actually
Oh,
made
yes,
from grape
cotton
skin.
candy grapes. The kids love
Cotton candy
Oh,
grapes
those
are
are good.
Candy grapes.
They're okay. The Brianna loves them.
I don't like them.
Really? Because they taste like cotton candy?
They do taste like cotton
I don't
candy.
like them. I don't.
Yeah, they taste like cotton
They
candy.
do.
It's a little weird, yeah.
Julitha's offended.
They're weird.
Yeah.
They are weird, and that was what I read the history of this
It's the
thing, and they
arm cross.
were weird,
No.
and people were like,
No.
it has
No,
like a
not
cotton
having it.
candy.
No compromises. No compromises there. You see that?
Nope. So
Well,
thank
I
you.
give a thumbs up. I think if you have all this stuff, you should try it.
And
You
it's
should
not
definitely try it.
complicated.
And it's not that complicated.
No.
I mean, everybody has like.
Everybody
I mean, you
has
have-
peach schnapps.
Yeah,
at some
because
point.
you have
probably
some
one
kind of
from
college. Yeah. Exactly.
It's the same
Triple
bottle.
sec and Peachtree you have from college.
And you
Yeah,
use
bullshit if
triple
you
sec
don't.
all over the place.
Yeah.
And if you can get
And you don't know what to
actual peach brandy, then by all means get it. I tried, but I wasn't driving to Meredith, New Hampshire to buy the one bottle that was available at the New Hampshire
No.
store. I was like, this is stupid. So
Don't be stupid.
I didn't want it.
I agree.
So make it, taste
Try
it, because it's purple.
And let us know what you think.
Yeah, obviously.
Modest
And
sec.
thank you, Chuck Parker,
Obviously.
for your support. Click the join button if you guys would help support us. You can get announcements in the live stream, apparently. That's a new thing.
Boom.
And emojis and stuff. So that's it. Sidebar, all tiki, all the time. It's warm out, and if it's not warm out, I wish it was. So, tiki.
Put the fireplace on and drink tiki.
That's right.
Whoa. Down below, Boston Shaker Kit, Austin Drake's Bartender Starter Kit. Use the coupon code SUMMER4FUN until July 31st, 2022. Save yourself 20% off on that, plus our bitters and our syrups and all the stuff you need to make tiki right this second.
Like, click on some shit, do some
Oh,
stuff.
there you go. Kristen's in.
Teach you how to
Australia,
drink.
so she can
Yeah.
probably buy